Hello guys, welcome to our channel of Family in Poland. My name is Indu and I am feeling damn cold. Actually, so I just started vlogging. We are actually going to Lidl and Biedronka to buy some stuff, some groceries and some vegetables. It's 4 p.m. and it's damn cold here. I'll show you front side. It is so fog. It's so much foggy there. I'll just show you that. See how much foggy it is in the front. So today we just wanted to show you up that how the winters have. It's only November now and it's how much cold it is. It's our first winters. So see how it's 4 p.m. and see the sky and the weather, and we used to see it from our home. Now today we have taken the guts and we have come down and we are going for shopping. So come along with us. Let's see how it is. So we are going to Biedronka first. So and then next we would be going to Lidl. It's just opposite. It's very near to our place. So Biedronka is this left side and Lidl is on the right side. So let's go. So as soon as we entered Biedronka, you can see there is already Christmas biscuits and chocolates here in the starting itself. Christmas vibe is started. So finally buying tomatoes, today?
Yeah, today after we are buying the tomato. So like I'm purchasing a lot quantity this time as compared to earlier. I used to buy less. The reason being like the tomato prices have gone to like 13 zloty or 17 zloty, 11 zloty, but today it's 7 zloty. So it's a deal. Like I think in the winter it will be the same price. I'm seeing the same price like 11 zloty, 14 zloty, 13 zloty from 1 month I think. So this is the less price, so I'm taking more bulk now.
So we have just taken 2-3 things here. We have taken banana, pear and tomatoes here. And Sachin is doing the billing. Self-billing. Now going to Lidl. So Sachin Bhardwaj has just entered. Let's do some shopping in Lidl as well.
So we have taken like broccoli and bread and carrot. So now we will take potato and onion.
Garam masala as well. This is curry masala.
So we have taken, so we have taken garam masala and this is curry masala.
She wants that.
She wants that as well.
We have
Yeah.
this chocolate also. We forgot to mention it.
Yeah.
From
Biedronka. So now we will see the potato and onion from here. Let's see what is the price here. Generally the price of potato and onion is normal here. The price of tomato has shoot up here. To drink, this is the section for them. You can see full drinks. So I don't drink, so I don't know what all items there, but I think red wine, vodka, whiskey, those things, everything is available here. We are taking strawberries as well. So this is comes in the packet. So 250 gram packet, it's 10.99. 1 kg 31.96. This is grapefruit if someone interested. It's a different fruit which many people might not like it as well. This is the bakery, which many more items you will see here. We have in Lidl. These are the green peas. Generally we don't get the peas we get in our place, like we have to open them and that. We get in packet container only here. So this is A grade anyhow. This is very good quality. It means it will have more nutrient as compared to the quantity. And this is 2.23. For momos lover, the price of this is very less. And it comes one zloty also sometimes. And petha khane wale, for petha lovers, petha khane wale. So this is 2.99. And yeah, these are the pricing. It is not only about foods, you also get like blanket, your clothes, winter clothes. So according to the season, these things changes, like boots for babies and big people as well. Yeah, everything. And if you go to the front, this is a section for I think dairy products, juice, refrigerated items, which you can see here. And we have paneer also, like which we generally take from here. This is the one which we take, which we think as a paneer. We have taken potato. The price of which is as of now today is 3.99, and we have also taken onion, which is 4.49. So the price of potato and onion is generally same in the sense they don't change as well, and it will be same price. In Baidaronka it was 1.1 something, but we don't took from there. We thought it will be cheaper here. We took from here. Now we have taken dhania as well. So dhania we have taken like a plant. So here we get plant only directly. We don't get like we get in our country, like only the leaves. Yeah, we will see. And we have taken garam masala, and we will show you what else we will take. There are no provisional stores here, so la toffee if you want to buy, like which we get from our shopkeeper, so you have to buy from here. So you can see the price 2.99 is like 100 gram. So whatever is written is 100 grams. So you have to make into 10 and you will get the kg price of all the toffees. So this one I like more. And these are like some of them have alcohol also, like alcohol based or vodka based, you can say. These are tasty Mars. These are also very good. So Indu has taken the lead now for the billing. All these items, our cashier Indu Mishra will.
Cashier is you only. You have to.
Oh, cashier is me. So attendant I will say then. Now we have done our shopping. 2 bags full, and we are leaving the Lidl. And this is Indu, and here you have to gate pass is your bill. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching our video. Hope you liked it and you see what we shop here, and also like what are the prices. This is Indu. If you want to say some closing words.
Yeah. Please do like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that we keep making these videos and keep buying the fruits and vegetables to show the price to you guys.
Yeah.
So take.
And hopefully we'll show you more content from now on. Let's see how it is.
Yeah. Bye bye guys. Bye Duanu.